She's not what the system has our minds trained to think a serious attorney should look like. Look, I ain't for everybody, but for those of you that want to dig in more to Miss Ari, let's get into it. First, let's talk about how and who Ari presents herself to be. She's a self-proclaimed vlogger and a decorated criminal defense attorney. On social media, she presents to be a baddie, I'm not gonna lie. Designer labels, Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and she's certainly not afraid to show off her shape. She's not what the system has our minds trained to think a serious attorney should look like. And most people will tell you if you want to beat your case, hire a Jewish lawyer or some big fancy law firm. Ari isn't just an attorney, she's building a brand. Her brand says, I want to win and I will poke holes in their case. Now let's talk about her foundation. We love an educated queen. And we can't overlook the fact that social work training teaches you how systems fail people, how trauma presents, and how fear shapes decision making, how escalation happens in real life and not hypotheticals. When you combine that with criminal defense, you get an attorney who just doesn't argue statute. She's going to argue context and probably even pull out some of that social work training. Ari's gonna dig into traumas and how it can trigger a rational person to commit an irrational act. She knows exactly how to humanize clients that the world has already decided are victims.